Tired of traditional banks? Is Varo or Chime right for you? Key differences in 90 seconds. Features. Both have no monthly fees and early paychecks. Varo offers a high-yield savings account, often beating Chime's rate. Savings. Both have automatic savings. Varo saves a set amount per paycheck. Chime rounds up purchases. Overdraft protection. Chime's bond covers up to $200 fee-free if you qualify. Varo offers overdraft protection, but coverage and criteria differ. ATM Access. Both offer fee-free ATMs. Chime, MoneyPass, Visa Plus Alliance. Varo, Allpoint. Check network coverage near you. Customer service. Chime, in-app, email, phone. Varo. Similar options. Response times vary. Check reviews. Which is better? Depends. Varo. High-yield savings. Chime. Round-up savings. Overdraft protection. Research, compare, and choose what fits.